Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. Are you a member of this family? If not, hit that subscriber button right now and become part of the family. Guys, I've got something fantastic to share with you today. In fact, it's gonna blow your mind because not only is it a great new invention, but it's great for the environment as well. Stay tuned to find out more. If you follow this channel, you will know that we really recommend products that are sustainable and are eco-friendly. And we will trying to do our part, right? Here is another way that you can make a difference in the environment. It's called the electric bamboo toothbrush. It's a great new invention from an organization called Sustainable Tomorrow. And basically what their interest is making sure that you use products that are actually sustainable and that do not damage the environment. We are using way too much plastic and it is really harming our environment. Guys, this is the solution. And why? I'll tell you how. So basically, it's an electrical toothbrush with an eco-friendly replaceable head. And each head has been carved from raw bamboo. Now, the thing I really love about this electric bamboo toothbrush is just because it is sustainable and eco-friendly doesn't mean they haven't overlooked design. Just look how appealing that is. And the packaging that it arrives in is really quite stunning as well. Look at that. We have our instructions and we have our replaceable toothbrush heads. And they come in these lovely little bags. As you can see, it is completely chargeable by USB cable. The great thing about this toothbrush is that you only need to recharge it about once a month. So it has a really strong battery. Now just look how lovely that is. The electric toothbrush has multiple cleaning modes from standard, whitening, polish, gum care, and sensitive mode. And as you can see, it's all highlighted here. And it shows you how your battery is doing. These little areas will light up to show you what function you have selected. Now let's check out the toothbrush heads. Now replacing these has very little impact on the environment. Why? Because they've been carved out of natural bamboo. How stunning is that? What craftsmanship. Something I like about the design is that it doesn't roll like a lot of other electrical toothbrushes. You can actually place it down and it sits perfectly stable and doesn't get toothpaste all messed over your countertop. Now to properly dispose of this head, what you're going to do is throw it away in a bio bin. But first you're going to want to detach these bristles from it. These nylon bristles can be placed in a recycling bin. There's less than 1 gram of plastic in these nylon bristles. So the whole thing is extremely eco-friendly. So let's put it on. There we go. Now look how stunning that looks, guys. Really designed very, very well. And let's try it out. Wow, you can feel that battery. It is really working over time. There are all our settings, and as you select, it actually plays a different sort of sound. I must say, I can feel it reaching every little corner. The bristles are so fine. And the vibration is actually helping those bristles reach those tricky areas. Guys, that is some of the finest bristles I think I've ever used on a toothbrush. Really fine, really gets in between your teeth and gets into those hard to reach areas. So that's gonna give your mouth a really good wash, give those teeth a really good clean. I love the vibrating different modes of the toothbrush. And it's almost a little bit of a massage for your mouth at the same time. Now, some of you are probably wondering how often you should replace the toothbrush head. The American Dental Association recommends every 3 to 4 months. Well, anytime soon that you can start to see the bristles starting to fray, because then they're not really reaching those places within your teeth that really need cleaning. And then your next question is going to be, well, how much does something like this cost? What if I told you you could receive this entire pack for just about $70? Isn't that quite incredible? There are 3 toothbrush heads, so this is going to last you for months and for months. And it has the USB charger, which means that it plugs in super easy and you're able to charge it, and you only have to charge about once every month. Guys, there are also going to be subscription services available for this amazing electrical bamboo toothbrush. For more information, look at the details down below. A wonderful, sustainable product that I highly recommend. Now, I know you've enjoyed learning about this incredible new invention and wonderful product. Hey, while you're here, go check out this video. I think you'll enjoy it.